One.
Why do you have a clock?
We just finished the show talking about circles, people's circles, and I got a circle because they want to hear us talk about circles.
One, but we were talking about relationships and people.
And then,
See? Thank you, copycat.
I don't know
because
what
you're not gonna have a circle, and I'm not gonna have a circle. You thought, and I have a golden circle. A golden.
Listen, if you can't beat them, join us.
Circles. No, for real though. What was for real circles?
Because, but we were talking about this whole notion of checking your circle because we were talking about people and the seats that they take in your life and making sure that people take the right seat.
And the positions of the
circles.
Right.
Because check your circles because what?
Because we're making sure that people don't take seats of inferiority and making sure, or superiority, thinking that people are inferior to them. Because if somebody is in your circle like that, I think we said earlier that that's just really a lot of toxicity.
Right.
And you don't want that. Really, in a circle, and we can examine it, when you have a circular relationship with friends, there are no big I's, no little U's, and no matter how you flip that circle, nobody's ever asserting themselves as being on top of the circle, being better than, but there's a very smooth relationship. There's no gaps in the relationship, and we talked about, some people think that they're in circular relationships where everybody is equal. Everybody's on the equal perimeter. Everybody's equally away from the center here.
Equally supported, equally loved, all that,
Yeah, and it doesn't, and equal doesn't necessarily mean anything in terms of how much money they have or what their educational level is or what their credential is. It's about their commitment to the people, their commitment to the team. We all have different gifts and talents, but we are committed to each other.
So some people think they have circles and they have C's.
Circles
are not connected.
Circles ain't connected.
The circle's not connected.
Not connected.
And you know what I thought Juan said? I thought I heard him say in tries that don't
And
angle.
he did.
But
he said
tries
circles ain't connected. Tries ain't angled.
And that angle. Okay.
And he has a whole point.
He does have a point because when you think about circles and there's no closure, it means that somewhere somebody's not holding their responsibility to the team.
And not only that, when there's no closure, mess can get in, and the good stuff can get out.
Right.
Right.
No,
Devin, that is so true.
So listen, we prepared for the show because circles.
We're gonna talk about it.
Listen, Cutler. Look, what if I have a triangle? What does a triangle look like so I can know how to identify when my circle is not really a circle, it's a triangle?
Do you know what?
What am I looking for?
Really, so what you're looking at in terms of triangle, you're looking at something that looks like this. And unfortunately, in the triangle, so there you go.
There it is.
So in the triangle, you have somebody who's always trying to assert themselves at the top. And if they're trying to assert themselves at the top, that means this person thinks he or she is superior. They think they're better, and everybody else is underneath them, and they may not always say it. They may not be overt, but there could be something that's sort of implicit about their behavior. There could be a certain air, and they may not give. They may not give the energy that everybody down here is working to support the cause of the group. But you got this person right up here.
Not a circle.
That is not a circle. And you said it. You were onto something. Check your circle.
Check it.
Yeah. Check your circle. Yeah.
So listen, we got to come back and take some more comments and really just do this circle show.
Yeah, we got to talk about it.
Yeah, we do. And you know what?
Check your circle.
We said it before we went off. I would just want to chit chat about the square as well, because unfortunately in the square you have people who try to distinguish themselves from everybody else. Everybody along these lines, they're working, they're doing what they want to do or what they need to do, but you got people who still try to distinguish themselves. Unlike the triangle, when you just have maybe one or just a few trying to rise to the top, here you got more people.
And another thing is, when you look at this square, they're all connected by stuff. So they're this person is connected by this stuff. These things. This person connected by these, but they never get to touch.
They never get to touch.
They never get to, and a circle.
That continuous
connection. They never get to connect.
Yes.
Let me tell you that. They are onto something, because these people create breaks in the relationship. They create breaks. They don't give these people a chance to be connected.
So when we're gonna do the show soon?
Let me tell you, we're gonna have to do this soon, and we'll just have to post.
Can I bring my clock? Can I bring my circle? Can I bring my circle?
You can bring the circle.
Some kind of bigger clock.
You can bring the circle. But what we need for people to do is make sure that they subscribe and make sure that they hit that bell so they get a notification letting them know, because this may not be one of our regular talks, but for this, I think you guys are really onto something. So make sure that you subscribe and then click the bell so you can receive the notifications about whenever we're on live. This, you were really onto something when you suggested this. And Juan, when you said that the circles are not connected and the tribes are not angled, but it makes so much sense. We laugh, but that makes. Listen, y'all.
Check your circle.
Check your. Let me put this back up. Check your circle. Hold your circle up there so you can see it.
Listen.
No, what I'm saying is, on your show, you said, put in the comment if y'all want to hear a show about circles. So this is the day after the show. Y'all asked for it. You said you wanted to hear about the circle. And it's a gold circle right there with a mustard head out. Good God Almighty, this gold.
We need to wipe that circle off.
I gotta wait.
No.
This is nice.
That's a light skin.
This is nice. Can I have this for my birthday? Ew. You know, I like black and gold.
See mine? You see mine?
Yeah.
See mine?
Mine's bigger than this.
But you see mine? You said you want to talk about circles.
Oh,
Juan,
and then...
what?
And then... Right.
Yes.
I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you do us. Him, I mean. And by us, I mean Juan.